Oh, you can hear me. Oops. Clickety click clack. You didn't hear me. You didn't hear me lamenting about how I'm getting an error. So I need to be very clear. I need to be very clear about what this stream is going to be. I have literally not touched the API before an hour and a half ago. And in fact, I don't even have any experience with WebSockets at all. The way I run my animations and stuff is from a local Node.js server, but I didn't realize that that was different than WebSockets because I don't know anything about networking. It's not my thing. So anyways, I just spent a bunch of money on a plugin that I didn't need, that I now realize I could have easily used this little GitHub that just sort of has all the same stuff and is completely free, but it's fine. It's fine. I'm not worried about it. So anyways, but I am connecting. I am reaching VTube Studio, but it said I didn't provide a plugin name, which is frustrating because I'm supposedly using... Oh, I didn't provide a plugin name. Oh, no, I'm supposedly using the application name, but maybe that's not what this is. Maybe VTube Studio is bad. Or not VTube Studio. Wait, what just said? Why is it black? What the heck? Why is it black? What's going on? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. That was weird. Anyways, I was just trying to automatically get the name of the game. But apparently that's not product name. So, you know, F me, right? I'm gonna Google this. This is just gonna be me being like, I don't know why this isn't working. I'm gonna Google it. Get game name. It's supposed to be, oh, it's supposed to be product name. I feel so lied to. I feel lied to. I feel bamboozled. I'm doing the auth. This is the auth. This is the auth. I need the, yeah, this is the auth. I haven't gotten the auth working. So this is gonna be very much a, debugging stream. A Lua, I can't believe you don't know that stream. A wow, we just spent 45 minutes on something that's very simple kind of stream. Anyways, I'm just gonna put a string here. This is gonna be called Lua's app. And the company name is gonna be Lucky Games. Oops, I need to put some, me, professional programmer. Lua Lucky. Anyways, I don't use Unity, you guys. I don't use Unity for my job. Hello. Click this button. What's it gonna complain about now? I didn't provide a plugin name. Maybe I'm doing this whole thing wrong. Maybe I'm misunderstanding what Unity's JSON serializer does. That's clearly what's happening. So I'm curious what is happening. I was the fool. I was Boo Boo the fool for trusting Unity's JSON serializer, to be honest. What the hell is it doing? Also, actually, let me undo this because I think my actual thing here is right before. I wanted to find a JSON serializer online, but I also didn't want to get something confusing, and so I didn't. And so I'm trying to use Unity's, and I think it's screwing me over. Okay. I'm well, how are you? Oh. What the hell? Oh. Uh-oh. 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 I see what's happening. Okay. Okay, I see what's happening. I see exactly what's happening. Okay. Oh, stop playing, please. Thank you. Okay. This should work. I know, imagine trusting computers to do literally anything. Couldn't be me. Okay, what's going on? Package does not exist in the current content. Oh. Ah! Ah! There we go. Okay, I think this will do it. Button. You didn't provide a plugin name. Yeah, I sure didn't. Now it's not giving me data. Is the data not public? It's not public. That'll do it too. Shut up, shut up, shut up. Why are you screaming at me? Is less accessible. Okay. There you go. How about now? How about now? How about now? Oh no, it's just the UI, please. There we go. Come back. Come back. No, come back, UI. This is all very, what's it called? Temporary. No! It's not putting my data in. Yeah, my problem was trusting this Unity's serializer here. I have no mouth, yet I must scream. Why isn't it actually printing this out? Wait, what? Am I crazy? I think this is it. Oh yeah, this is it. Why is it not adding the data part? Oh, cause, oh, I know why. Because package isn't serializable. Okay. Come on. Come on. Mama needs a new pair of shoes. Okay, what's the error now? Plugin icons should be 128. Oh, I can do that. Easy. Easy. That's an error I can fix. Easy. Okay. And I put it in streaming assets. Let's edit this in Photoshop real quick, guys. Wait, do I have to use Photoshop? Maybe I can use the default editing program. Probably not, though. Nope, I sure can't. I sure can't use the default editing program on my computer, so I'll open it in Photoshop. The amount that I use Photoshop, I genuinely don't understand how anyone does anything without Photoshop. Because I have to use it for such basic stuff. It's ridiculous. It's seriously insane. Okay, so you want it to be 128 by 128? Can do. Whoa, what happened? What happened? What just happened? My keyboard freaked out. I have some really weird macros set to my keyboard, so sometimes it'll just be like... It'll just start going off and doing stuff, and I can't really stop it. Okay, let's try that. I did! I did! It is! I did! It is! Okay, what's the other error? Pixel-based 64-bit encoded PNGs? That is very specific. Okay, I will do all of those. Yeah, base 64 encoded. Okay, I'm gonna figure out how to export that in Photoshop. See, how the heck do you do anything without Photoshop? You couldn't do this on a regular computer. Export as. PNG. I don't even. Where do I even select that in Photoshop? Oh my goodness. 64 base. I don't even know how to do this. Hello? I don't know what I'm doing. As per usual. I'm trying to export a PNG. We can skip that if this doesn't work out though. A base 64 is essentially a long text string. I don't know if it's something Photoshop can do. It's probably something you'd have to do in code. No thanks. Wait, so you don't give the file URL, you literally send it? Okay. Okay, I thought you give the file URL, but excuse me. Yeah, okay, I understand. I thought you give the file URL, but nope. Okay, let's figure that out. Okay, well if we're sending it as data, then this doesn't have to be in streaming assets. So let's move that back out to assets and then close Photoshop. And we're gonna send it as a sprite because right now I'm sending it just as a regular game object. Boop, boop, boop. Get ready for some serious keyboard ASMR. Sprite. Icon dot. I think there's like a data or you get the texture and then you say buffer or something. Oh. Oh. I wonder if that'll do it. But it gives it as a byte array, so I mean, do I just I don't know if this is a thing I'm allowed to do, but I guess we're gonna find out. Oh no, I'm not allowed to do that. Can't convert byte array to string. Any data to base 64? I'm gonna Google it. That's my first go-to. Unity, PNG, or sprite, I guess. Sprite to base 64. This must be a Unity thing because VTube Studio is made in Unity. Apparently you can't serialize texture 2D, but there's an easier solution. Texture 2D.encode to PNG, which is exactly what I did. And then you need to use a stream to send it to a string. Okay. That's annoying. Okay. Binary formatter. Using memory. Oh. Huh? Huh? Who? What the hell are they doing? This answers.unity.com thing is on something else. You could use the binary formatter to serialize it to bytes and then encode it. To base 64 string. Huh? Huh? There's apparently a Unity asset store thing that lets you do it. You know what? We're not doing this right now. We're just not doing this right now. We're just not gonna do that right now at this moment. Also, I don't need any of this. Actually, none of this is correct. It's just gonna be a whole lot of nothing. I'm not gonna deal with this. I'm not taking that on. And we're just not gonna send it a, oops. Yeah, we're just not gonna send it a thing right now. We're just gonna ignore that. Oh, I actually do want to do that though. Why is it complaining? Oh, because this needs to be a spray. Okay. Okay, we're just not taking that on right now. That's a problem for a different day. Probably right after the stream, honestly. Eh? I got a pop-up. I got a pop-up in VTube Studio. I actually have VTube Studio set to a different thing today. But I'll turn on my game capture so you guys can see what I'm looking at. There you go. I did it. I did. I climbed the first hurdle. The turtle. Just yoink something from Stack Overflow. I almost did. I was honestly 5 seconds from doing that, and then I was like, actually, this thing on Stack Overflow doesn't even make any sense, so I'm not gonna do that. Anyways, the following plugin wants access to the VTube Studio API. If you allow access, the plugin will be able to control VTube Studio. This includes reading model information, triggering hotkeys, reading and writing face tracking data. Only allow this for plugins you know and trust. Plugins cannot access the webcam video data through VTube Studio. You can revoke access anytime. And of course, this is the name of my Unity app at the moment, and then default company is just what they default to. And we have it! Here we are! And we got a response. I don't know why I double-clicked that. We got a response. Which just said, good on ya, is what it said. And so I'm gonna need to save that data, some of this data, the authentication token. That's our next step. I do know about that kind of thing. Oops. And good thing is, for actually getting JSON, I have this really great little thing called JSON, simple JSON, that just like, it's just fantastic. I just love this little thing. It's just a little file I got from GitHub Studio, or GitHub Studio, what is wrong with me? GitHub. Okay, we need to save the token. Is this where I want to do this? Yeah, this is fine. I was wondering if I should put all my tokens and stuff in a different, in like its own static file. I do that sometimes, but I kind of want to keep everything in here. And when it gets the response, the var response equals JSON, simple JSON dot something. Or is it just JSON? I think it's just JSON. No, what? No, that's not. I feel like I'm having a stroke. I can't remember how to do what the exact I can't remember what the exact syntax is. And I'm going to look at a different project that I made and steal it from myself. And I do that quite frequently because I have the memory of a goldfish. Unfortunately, it's a constant issue in my life. Okay, let's see here. Where's my slobs chat client? There it is. I guess I could use the other one too, but open with Visual Studio. Okay. Where's my JSON guy? Where's my good old JSON buddy? Oh, it's just JSON.parse. I thought so. But it wasn't popping up. No! That's why it's not popping up. Stop it. Stop it. Just stop it. Why? Do I have to add it? Oh yeah, I do. That would help. I'm also not using networking anymore, so take that out. JSON.parse message. Thank you. And I love this little boy, this little JSON parser. Oh, it's so helpful, so useful. So, I guess I should check for errors. But that sounds like a later Lua thing. So, response dot, and then I just get, what was the response? Authentication token? In data? Okay. Data. Authentication token. Dot. Oh, it's a string by default. So we'll just save that. Authentication token equals that. Bam. Okay, cool. There you go. Sorry. Ooh. I was very sleep deprived today. I really hit my wall when it comes to not sleeping, which is very unfortunate. And I need sleep. I need sleep so bad. I need to sleep so bad, you guys. I've just been like half asleep like all day. You know how much work I did today? None. I didn't do any work today. Don't tell anyone. Well, that's not true, actually. I did kind of work in that I went to a coworker and I said, I think this thing is broken because of your stuff. And then I spent the entire day waiting for them to say, yeah, it is. I fixed it. Bye. And that was my day today. And in all that time, I did a lot of napping, so it's fine. I technically did work. I kind of did work. Things got done. Things got done. Hey, stop the judgment. I hear the judgment in your eyes. Okay, let me look at the API again, see what's going on. What should we do now that we have our we have the keys to the castle? So we did the authentication. Now we can get some statistics that I don't really care about at the moment. I'm more interested in getting some parameters. So requesting a list of hotkeys. Ooh, we can do that too. Yes, let's do hotkeys actually. You know what? Let's do hotkeys. So we're gonna request a list of hotkeys. So I'm just gonna create a new class up here that it's gonna wrap up all my data. It feels really wasteful to me, but also kind of clean in a weird way. I don't know. Whatever. VTube. I guess hotkeys available. That makes sense. Oh, and it's an extension of a VTube request. Bam! And it's also going to have its own package. Bam. And it's also going to have its own constructor that we actually give the information to. And actually doesn't... Oh yeah, you can give it the optional unique idea of model. But you don't have to. And I don't want to. So there's actually nothing to this. There's absolutely nothing to this. Just the message type. Maybe, you know what? Maybe I'm going to change VTube request to take a message type. Instead of just automatically having it be authentication token request, because that doesn't make any sense. Okay. So let's create a constructor. VTube request. It takes a string called message type. Ah! Does C# does C# have, what are they called? Initialization lists? I can't remember. Anyways, message type equals message type. There we go. And that we also need to send the message type. Oh, I guess we can just set it. Oh, that's nice, actually. I'm a good programmer sometimes. Okay. So in here, in the constructor, we need to set message type as the authentication request, which I don't remember the string of already. So I'm gonna go get it. I have Dreamcatcher has a new song coming out literally tonight, and it already got released because they performed it, and it's stuck in my head because I was listening to it on repeat right before this. Anyways, why is this red? There's no argument given that corresponds to the required formal. Really? I have to do that in C#? Are you serious? Are you serious? I hate C#. Can I just say, it's like Java but worse, like way worse. This sucks. Okay. Really? I have to? Java's not bad. What are you talking about? It's right there. Why are you complaining? What's happening? There's no argument given that corresponds to the required formal... What? What are you talking about? What is this? I've never seen an error like this. Since when do they require a parameter? I mean, at this point in my life, I've used C# way more than I ever did Java, but... You prefer D flat? I like how YouTube thought that that might be a bad word or something. Okay, I'm Googling this. There's no argument given that corresponds... This doesn't make any sense. There is no argument given that corresponds to the formal parameter whatever. You have a constructor which takes 2 parameters. You should write something... What? Oh. Oh, I have to write a default parameter, I guess. Apparently. Stupid. Ah! No? I feel so lied to by Stack Overflow. Stack Overflow lying? Lying to me? You lied! You lied to me! You can't even see the- Oh, you can't see the error message? Oh, I read it to you. There is no argument given that corresponds to the required formal parameter message type of VTube request.VTube request string. Because this, oh, maybe this has to have, oh, this has to have a default parameter. Ew. That would make sense, actually. Okay, I figured it out. Okay. Okay. Stack Overflow wasn't on crack this time. Okay. Cool. That's everything I wanted. So now I want to write a thing that will get all the hotkeys. Get hotkeys. And it's gonna just do like all the same stuff as this one. Except it's gonna be called get hotkeys response. And get hotkeys. I'm gonna rename this to open actually. Open. By the way, sockets Does not look like a word to me anymore. Oh, I think it's already open. I think I don't have to do this. Oh, wait, this might be an issue. Wait. Oh, I don't, do I close it after every... I guess it's... Unless... I don't know how WebSockets work. I'm assuming, I guess, unless it's one of those ones where you... I don't know how WebSockets work. WebSockets just stay open the whole time. Okay. So... This is a problem. Okay, so my response... Darn it. Okay, this has to actually handle everything. All of these have to handle everything, not just... Okay, I understand. I'm annoyed, but I understand. Okay, but I do want to send... I want to send... Oh, we don't need that anymore. Send... Okay, so on get hotkeys, we want to send it a VTube. What did I name it? What did I name it? Did I write it? Oh, I just didn't write it. Oh, cool, I just didn't write it. You know, that thing where you just don't write the class that you thought you already wrote. That thing. Oh, that's right, because I was just gonna send it a VTube request and then make it a... Yeah, okay. Okay. Here's what we're gonna do. JSON utility.toJSON of a new VTube request that is, that takes, what was it? What was the name again? It was get requesting a list of hotkeys. Hotkeys in current model request. Hotkeys in current model request. I should probably put these in a static string and stuff. That's for future Lua. That's for cleanup Lua. That's for Lua who cares about what her code looks like. Even though a bunch of people are watching her code right now, she doesn't care about what her code looks like. This is called performative entertainment programming. No, I don't know. There should be a word for programming as a sport, or like rather like programming for the entertainment of others. There we go. Okay, so I'm gonna have to create a switch based on the type that it returns. Or no, not this. Oh no, this is fine. Wait, this is totally fine. It's here. So the response message dot, or what am I doing? Okay, what does the response look like? You can always clean it up later, and getting it to do something will be good. Yeah. Yep. Okay, so the response for authentication. It's just message types. Oops. Message type. We got a switch. This is that thing that Yandere Dev was flamed over. A little ridiculous to me. Int. Oh. Yeah, there we go. Case. Oh. There we go. Obviously, we'll handle errors later. Case. Hotkeys in current model. Wait, why is this being annoying? Parentheses can be removed. Oh. So? A constant value is expected? This is clearly a constant value. Oh, as string. They don't have as string. I just have to say to string, I guess. Okay, fine. Okay, there we go. Bam. 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 Now what do I want to do with this data? My intention was to print it out on the screen. So like when you had a thing, you would put the result and stuff. Fine, let's do that. Let's... The part of my brain that tells me what is good future-proofing and the part of my brain that is lazy are fighting with each other right now. Part of my brain really, really, really wants to make this an event-driven system where you send a delegate back. But I don't want to do that right now. Okay, anyways, we're just gonna do the really, really, really messy debug thing, okay? And I'm just gonna manually handle the UI that I want to give it. Unity engine .ui. Please, thank you. Nope, come on. There we go. The struggle, right? Meh. What? That was weird. Text. Text. Next text. Wow, I can spell. Text. Hotkeys text. Oh, why did I put a space? What world am I living on? Okay. Just gonna tell myself that I successfully connected. And then when we get all the hotkeys, we're going to put that on screen. Dot or equals, I guess, the payload? It's a little weird, but I don't really know what to give these, so it's probably formatted good enough, right? Yeah, it's probably fine. Okay, well, let's try this out. Let's make it a little cleaner. And first of all, I have to duplicate this. Bam. And this one needs some different text on it. Hotkeys. Not connected. Just make this one empty. We're gonna make the button say connect. We're gonna make this button say get hotkeys. And we're going to give these two text panels to my VTube Studio Manager. Click. And it pops up. Allow. And nothing's happening. Huh. That's weird. How odd. Let's put the debug print back in here. Debug.print. Log message. Maybe I wrote this wrong. That's very possible. Debug.log this. Okay, let's find out what's going on. That's probably what happened. I need to click allow. Authentication token response. Right as I expected. So, is it going to the right place? Wait, what just happened? Oh! Oh! Oh. Oh. Maybe, to make this a little more for myself in the future, I'm just gonna write it like this because I'm going to make this the static string. So it will look really weird right now, but don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Okay. There was one more. Oh, here it is. Boop, boop, boop. Boop, boop. Okay. Okay. There we go. Let's try that one more time. Boop. Nice. Allow. Why are you doing this to me? I can't believe you've done this. Why is this not working? Authentication token response. I mean, don't tell me that writing it like this is the issue. Clearly it's not. Wow, I really spelled authentication incorrectly, didn't I? Wow, I really did. 1 second. Rename? Where's rename? Where's rename? There we go. Why? Can't you use $sign? I don't know what you're talking about. No, I don't think I can do any of that. Oh, thank you for your adulation, that undeserved adulation. It's not like adding parentheses, is it? I don't know anything about JavaScript. Oops, sorry, I was peeking. I don't know anything about JavaScript. I don't think that the concatenation of the strings was the issue. I think it's something else. I think it's adding parentheses. Let's see if that's true. I don't know if that's true. That's a little insane if it is, but Yep. Yep. Yeah. Yep. Yeah. So my little JSON buddy is bad. I don't want to use toString. I want to use value? Oh, maybe it's just value. Oh, here we go. Okay, this is it. Here, this is it. This is it. Why don't they just have an as string? They have an as bool, as array, as literally everything but string. What, they couldn't just do that for my sake? Anyways, we figured it out. Let's click get hotkeys. Okay, I've done something wrong. Oh, it's the button's still connected to the wrong, there we go. Get hotkeys, okay. Okay, shut up. Oh, we're not giving it the authentication token right now. So let's do that. Let us do that. Huh. My back. I don't know how I want to do this. I imagine it's gonna get pissed at me if I try to give it an authentication token on authentication. Maybe it won't notice. Maybe we can sneak it past it. Let's try to sneak it past it. Maybe it just won't check. Do I not need an authentication token? Do I not actually need to use the authentication token? That doesn't make any sense. Wait, do I really actually... It's not... I don't see the authentication token in any of these requests. Yeah, it's fine to send the authentication token as soon as the authentication is done and you get the token. I'm confused on what the authentication token is because it doesn't seem to be a part of any of these requests. The field authentication token ASCII string will serve as a token file that most users can revoke API. Users can revoke API. You only need to obtain the token once with this token. You authenticate for the session. You authenticate. It gives you the token, and then you have to send the token once. Oh, you have to send the token back? Oh. Weird. Okay. Oh, I see here. How odd. Okay. Gotcha. Okay. Then we'll do that. WebSocket, or it's a lowercase, WebSocket.send JSON utility. Nope. I've got too much JSON stuff going on. Utility.toJSON of a new VTube request of type this, I guess. I guess I need to make that its own thing. So these need to be changed names. Yeah, I'm assuming it just remembers. Okay. Gotcha. Token. And we're just gonna make another class. And not token. And it's gonna have a package of class package public serializable. Oh, there's so many things to remember. Oop. Public string data. Nope. The token, the authentication token. Ow. Okay. Okay. I have no idea what creature bit me, but I have had like 2 bug bites on my arm for like a week now, and it's seriously killing me. Like, oh my god, it's so annoying. It looks like a giant vampire bit me or something. Cause they're just like two bug bites in a line. I don't know what's going on. But it's very frustrating. It's very itchy. It's probably like a spider or something, I'm assuming. Anyways, okay. Let's get the authentication token. What's it called? Ah. Bam. Bam. Meow. Meow. Public. This thing. And I want the message type. Oh, I actually don't, no, I need the authentication token. Okay, string. Oh, no, I don't even, wait, yes. No. Yes, no, maybe, doesn't matter? Doesn't matter. I'll just give it to it. The use for the token is that on future connections you can say, actually, I'm that app that authenticated before, remember me? Hey! Okay. I will implement that later. Ow! Sorry, there's a muscle in my chest that is really messed up. And I think it's just from the fact that I've been exercising recently. But if I like breathe in my lungs too much, it really hurts. And I think it just needs to heal or something, but yeah, anyways. Data. Public, oof, there's so much to remember at once. Package data, and then data.authentication token. Nope. There we go. And also, we're gonna make the message type automatically the right thing, which is called, yikes, hopefully the pain passes soon. Yeah, I forget about it until I, you know, breathe a lot for whatever reason. Okay, that's done. Okay. Why is this complaining? Why is it highlighted? Stop highlighting. Okay, God. This one's token. Token. Okay. Okay. Why is this one highlighted? I hate Visual Studio. I really do. Why is this wrong? Oh, because I was in the middle of this. Boop. This one's just gonna be called Authentication. And we're just gonna send it the authentication token. There you go. And that's it, I think. So the token is when either the plugin or VTube Studio restart, right? Yeah. Yeah, exactly. I was just surprised because I'm used to using like Twitch's and YouTube's APIs, in which you have to obviously keep that token for the session and send it with every request. But I guess because this is local, it's fine. Probably is the idea. Okay. Please stop highlighting stuff. I don't know why it's... Anyways. I think we got it. Wait, what's it complaining about? Public? Oh. Oh, because I was about to add the authentication token as a field, and then it turns out I don't need to do that. Sorry. Connect. Oh, I just didn't notice. Okay. Whoa. What is this? What the heck? Okay, so this is an error coming from the library that I imported. WebSocket's message handle events. Object reference not set to an instance of an object. Do I have to... Do I really... I don't have to set... I'm wondering if it's making me set a delegate for every single, you know, open, close, receive message, whatever. Is that what it's complaining about? Maybe that's weird. Okay, well, that's super weird. I don't know what that's about. I'm gonna assume it's that thing that I just said and fix that because that's fixable. Also, here's the sample thing that I'm using. So I'm honestly just going to, on error, on closed are the two things that I haven't added responses for, but I don't know why it would give me an error just because I haven't subscribed any events to this. Seems super strange, but whatever. Let's make an on error. Do I have to make it public? Nah. Void. WebSocket error. Okay, WebSocket error. Make it take a WebSocket. Also, my wrist has been bugging me today for some reason. I don't really know what's going on. I didn't notice until I sat down and started... Oh, my arm's still itchy. I didn't notice until I sat down and started working on, you know, this. And, like, the typing and stuff. My wrist is all messed up. We're just gonna debug print an error. Debug.log error. I'm assuming it probably takes a message, too. String message. Okay, I'll just put the message. Ah! And then the other one was WebSocket close. You think that takes a message? I don't think it takes a message. And I'm just gonna debug print closed. Oh boy. Okay. Question mark, question mark, question mark. That'll do it. Except that my UI's all messed up. There we go. Connect. Allow. Error. Just like clockwork. VTube Studio.cs line 58. Line 58? Doesn't make any sense. How about line 99? How about I make this a little bigger so I can actually read it? The other option is line 99. Ah, that would make... Okay. Oh. Okay, I see. There's something going on here. There's a disturbance in the force. Okay. try that. Why is it highlighted? Okay. Why is this complaining? Oh. There we go. Okay, let's try that. Let's see what happens when we go that. When we do that. Sorry, I just realized you could see the panel. Anyways. Bum, 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 bum. All day, I can't stop singing. I wanna be a part of it. New York, New York. I wanna wake up in the city that never sleeps. I can never remember the rhythm. It's still complaining about the same line. I don't believe you. Surely the issue is not that I'm sending a message in a response. Is it? Surely that's not it. Object not set to an instance of an object. Oh! There we go. Done, dun, 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 dun. I bet that's it. Nope. Nope. Not it. Actually. Not the fix. What's the fix, you may say? Well, gosh, golly gee, I don't know. I don't know what the fix is. I don't even know what the problem is. It's clearly happening when it sends the message. It's either really simple or really complicated. It's never, no, it is never something in between. So it's clearly happening when I send, even though it's telling me the wrong line. To the point where I'm like, did you actually even compile it? Question mark, question mark, question mark. Come on. No. Really? Nah. Well, let's print out the auth, I guess, and see if it's something weird or something, or I don't know, maybe I can't send messages in the response. I'll try doing something else, anything else, I guess. What that anything else is, I don't know. Maybe auth isn't getting populated? Could be. Let's debug it. Let's debug print it. Although, I think it is. Oh! Well, I think it is. .log. Because the problem is not even coming from like VTube Studio. It's coming from this WebSocket API I'm using. Stop it! Why did it not print it? Oh, this is interesting. Maybe it actually is line 99. The issue is coming from this? Maybe I can't use JSON utility. Does my good friend JSON have a, no, it just has a parse. I think it's a problem with the JSON utility. And I think it just, I think the path looks super weird because it's in a callback. Oh no, did your Wi-Fi die? Rip. Just call it M. I'm tired. M. So now we're gonna find out whether the issue is coming from this or the JSON utility. I think it's the JSON utility. Oh, I forgot I have to do the thing. I was just waiting. Yeah, the error is coming from this. Oh, huh? Huh. I will just manually set that stuff, I guess. See if that helps. M dot. Oh! Oh, is it because... Oh, that would be very strange and not make it literally any sense. So I'm just going to ignore that even notion that that is a possibility and trudge on. Okay, M dot data dot authentication token equal authentication token. Bam. Now are you gonna complain? You're gonna, I bet it's gonna complain about line 99 again though. My clairvoyance, it tells me. Oops. Oh! It's complaining about line 101 now. And that's progress. What's on line 101? Oh, it is! It's something wrong with this. Ding, ding, ding. Ren gets the prize. The golden ticket. I got a golden ticket. I got a golden ticket. And with this golden ticket. So what is it giving us? That seems perfectly valid to me. It's a nice long string with lots of numbers and letters. That seems like a perfectly valid authentication token to me. Hello. Debugging minds. So why? Is it a problem with package? This is weird. Is it a data type issue? I mean, I don't know which data and which type it would be having a problem with because it's just strings. I'm curious if I just set this to like this, if it will stop complaining. I know it won't work, but will it stop complaining? No. What line is it complaining about now? Still line 101. I think? Am I just reading this wrong? Yeah, it's line 101. Okay, so what's at line 101? This, still. So, what happens if I just don't access data at all? It's having a problem with me accessing data, apparently. Apparently. It didn't complain at all, so it's having a problem with me setting the value in data. Why? 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 Is it because you set data authentication token without... You're such a smart cookie. I forget to do this literally every single time. Every time. I forget to do this every single time. I forget to do this every single time. I forget to do this every single time. Every time I forget to do this. It's so frustrating being me. Okay. That was 110,000,000% it. See, this is why I program on stream. Otherwise, I would lose my mind. I mean, I lose my mind anyways. But, I didn't have a mind to begin with. I always wonder if stuff like that I would have figured out faster if I wasn't on stream. Yeah, normally it does give a really good error, but because I guess it's accessing it from within that event callback, it's just shit itself. Anyways, it worked. Let's try to get the hotkeys. Oh, current session is not authenticated. The only requests you can send without authenticating are stuff that is not this. Okay, so that didn't work. Probably just something little that I missed. I'm assuming that's the right string, right? Yeah. Some token. Authentication token. Yeah. And then I serialize it. And I send it. Oh, maybe I just didn't wait long enough? Let's... Okay, yeah, let's just create a case for... It probably just didn't wait long enough. Break. And we'll set connected to then. And so we'll know that we're connected. There we go. Let's try that. Bam. Click. Boom, snap. Boom, 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 snap. Boom, snap. Boom, 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 snap. It just says current session's not authenticated again. Authentication request. Is that... Are you not entertained? Is that not what I said? I get... Oh. A harumph. A harumph. Yeah, that isn't what I said, actually. It's this one. Bam. Boom, snap, boom, 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 snap. I bought my ticket for the long way round. 2 bottle whiskey for the way. And I sure would like some sweet company. Na, 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 what do you say? When I'm gone, when I'm gone. You're gonna miss me when I'm gone. Field plugin, what? You're gonna miss me by my walk. You're gonna miss me by my talk. Oh, I did the wrong one. You're gonna miss me when I'm gone. Wait. Oh, I have to. Oh, I didn't realize I have to send that stuff too. Okay, I can read. I can read. Everything's just fine. I have to send this stuff again. When I'm gone, when I'm gone, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone. You're gonna miss me by the walk. You're gonna miss me by my talk. You're gonna miss me when I'm gone. Nice. Cutting out the middleman. Bam. And we're just gonna copy and paste that stuff. Nice. 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 Why you gotta send that stuff again? Whatever. Oh. Oh, it worked. I just didn't get, I didn't process the response. Oh, because I used the wrong word. Okay, let's do that one more time. Have you tried Unity's new UI system yet? I haven't. Is it actually pushed? Is it actually out? Like, is it, I didn't know it was out. I would genuinely love to use it because Unity's UI sucks. Seriously. It's so bad. And it's frustrated me for years. Okay, successfully connected. Let's click get hotkeys. I got the response. It just didn't put it in. It didn't actually print it. I probably put the wrong string in again. See, this is why you don't use magic strings. Where the hell are these things coming from? When I'm gone, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone. It's in beta, but it's usable. The problem is that as every Unity developer knows, you don't use like the newest 2 versions of Unity because they're just gonna be broken, like completely broken to all hell. So I'm not, yeah, I don't want to use the newest Unity, especially not a beta. Oh my god. Requesting response. Okay, I did that right. Do I have to say like 2 string or something? Maybe I do. Sorry. Okay, one last time. We'll get this working, and then I'm gonna be done because I'm missing Ame's stream? Someone's streaming right now that I wanted to watch. I think it's Ame. Oh, I have a lot of notifications. Yeah, I kind of wanted to watch Ame play Dead Space, so okay. Ditching my own stream. Me, myself, writing in chat. Cool stream, Lua. Gonna go check out Ame. Bye. Okay, connected. Get hotkeys. Okay, there we go. We did it. Pachi, 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 pachi. So I can now use this information. I obviously have a lot more quality of life stuff to do, but which I'm honestly probably gonna just do while I'm watching people's streams. But because it doesn't require my brain, this was great. Thank you guys for helping me. I think it went a little faster, and yeah, hell yeah, let's go. Let's effing go. I've been waiting for VTube Studio API for months and months and months. This is I'm so excited. Obviously it's been out for weeks now, but I've been a little busy with the Muppet stuff. Yes. Oh, do you guys, you know what? Honestly, you know what? I'm going to tell you all of the project ideas I have in mind. And if you want to do them instead, please do, because I would prefer not to do this stuff. But, and some of this is more feasible and some of this is less feasible. So anyways, actually one of them I am going to keep close to my chest because I think it's really, really, really cool and very doable. So I'm just going to, well, you know what? No, I'm going to say it because I don't even know if anyone has the tools to make it besides me. So I have a Trello with all of my ideas on it. First one is using VR facial trackers for live 2D. That's the first one. Second one, hand tracking for VTube Studio. Third one, which I really don't want to, someone's gonna do it, and I don't really feel like doing it. But that's the Stream Deck interface. I just wrote down everything that came to my mind, whether someone was bound to do it or not. Fourth is some sort of peer-to-peer tracking system. I particularly want to use this with Farah because it sounds easier. I doubt that there's going to be many people that support YouTube as far as VTube Studio API stuff goes, and I do have quite a bit of experience with YouTube's API, so I was going to try to make some stuff for YouTube. And then the last one I wrote down, but then someone in the VTube Studio chat said that they were going to do it, so they can do it. But it's just to detect the beat of the sound coming out of the speakers and output it to a parameter. It's probably, the difficulty of that is probably just getting the decibels coming out of the speaker, but you know, I don't know, I don't have any experience with that, so. I mean, honestly, the thing that I'm most excited about, the thing I'm probably going to work on first, is the hand tracking. So that's fun. I have unique skills in that area, and my model actually, did you know that I can move my hands fully? Did you know this? I can fully move my hands and all my fingers. But I never get a chance to, so that's why I want hand tracking. So yeah. Great stream, everyone. Huddle up. 1, 2, 3. Wildcats. Thanks for coming, everybody. See you later. Bye-bye. Sorry, did you say tongue tracking? Tongue tracking already exists. You can't really tell it's my tongue because I'm bad at drawing. Eh. 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 And it's too close to some bad faces. Anyways, goodbye everybody.